If you no longer want to use ReShade, you can uninstall it in a few easy steps, and we will show you exactly how to do it from this video. So for the first method, you can use a setup file. Just open your File Explorer, locate the ReShare setup file, double-click on it, then choose your game, click Next, select the Rendering API, click Next, select Uninstall, click Next, then choose Finish to finally uninstall the application. Now you have to ensure to restart your computer after this. Another method you can try to do is deleting the game folder. All you have to do is locate the game folder, delete the entire folder, and make sure to empty it on the recycle bin as well. Then, search for the game on your computer, right-click on it, then choose Uninstall. Once done, you should restart your computer, and if you want to reinstall it, simply search for the game again in the browser, download it, and when the game is downloaded, it will no longer have the ReShade application. So that's how to remove ReShade from your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.